Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Ever since the election, these crypto stocks and cryptocurrency has been absolutely on fire. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about what's going on with MSTR, what's going on with Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of these stocks and cryptos. Why are we getting so much buying pressure? Should you buy it? What's the best investment strategy for right now? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and guys, if you want to learn more about trading in the market, check out our school. It's the Swing Trading Masterclass. It's fantastic. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick. It's not alerts or anything like that. And given it's 51% off, code Black Friday. So click that link, sign up, and guys, let's jump into this. So like I said, ever since the election, we've really seen a huge amount of buying pressure out of crypto stocks. Now, obviously, a lot of these companies that are heavily invested into crypto, like Coinbase, like MicroStrategy, are getting a huge amount of buying pressure. So looking at MSTR right here, you guys will notice that in the matter of about 6 days, this thing has gone from $220 to over $350, which is a return of 60% in 5 days. Now, obviously, MSTR holds over 200,000 Bitcoins, which is about a little over $9 billion worth of crypto, which is astonishing. And that's why we're getting so much buying pressure, is because Bitcoin literally in the past day is up about 9% here. Look at this. So in the past day, it's up 8%, past 5 days, 14%, past month, 43%, 6 months, 42%, year, 96%. So we're getting a huge amount of buying pressure out of these crypto stocks because of Bitcoin rallying up, hitting all-time highs. On top of that, people right now are investing into MSTR because MSTR is more than just it's more than just Bitcoin. MSTR is a software development and Bitcoin company. It has cloud-based services. It has mobile software. I think the main issues that I personally see with MSTR is going to be their fundamentals. I mean, yeah, they hold a bunch of Bitcoin, but honestly, looking at their fundamentals, they're not very good. I'll be completely upfront about it, right? Their net profit margin is negative 293%. Their EPS is down 70%. Their revenue is down 10%. So yeah, right now we're getting a lot of buying pressure out of this, but it's also because they hold $9 billion worth of it, and they just bought another $2.2 billion in their latest purchase. So yeah, we're getting a lot of buying pressure, but it's because of Bitcoin. And I really think too, if you're wanting to invest in a MicroStrategy because of Bitcoin, don't. Just buy Bitcoin. It's in my opinion, that's a lot better. I understand MSTR and MicroStrategy and Coinbase are heavily invested into Bitcoin, and there's a huge correlation. When Bitcoin goes up, MSTR, and even we can pull up Coinbase goes up as well. But I mean, look at this, right? Look at this. So yeah, there's a huge correlation, right? But I personally think that just invest into Bitcoin if you're wanting to invest into crypto. That's the thought I have. Now let's kind of chat about, should you really right now, should you go heavy in on these stocks and crypto? You always hear that expression, buy low, sell high. And given that right now we're seeing Bitcoin hit all-time highs, we're seeing MSTR, Coinbase hitting, 52-week highs, if not all-time highs, I think that for me, dollar cost averaging is going to be the best option for me. And what that is you invest consistently. So maybe you invest once a week or every other week or whatever you choose to do. As Bitcoin sells off, or MSTR, whatever you choose, as that sells off, what I would recommend doing is every time it sells off more than 6%, double what you normally put in. So if that's just say, your dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and it sells off 6%, and maybe you invest $10 a week. Now, this week, do $20. and then go back to 10. What that does is it really helps you get in heavy on those dips. So once it recovers, just like it's always done, you're in on those lows. So once it recovers, you make a lot more money. And then if the previous week goes by, it's down 6%, double what you normally will put in. It's a really good strategy, and the strategy I would highly recommend for these types of growth, highly speculative stocks. Now, I also believe if you're investing right now into these companies and into Bitcoin, you have to understand the risk tolerance. These are hitting all-time highs, and you just have to understand that you're gonna have volatility, right? Looking back at Bitcoin's chart, you'll realize that there's a huge amount of spread. Let's see if we can pull it up on. There's a huge amount of spread with Bitcoin, meaning the volatility is huge. Like you can see these massive swings. So you just have to understand that. Looking at this chart here, you can see these massive swings. But in general, I'm excited. Let me know if you guys are buying it down below. Don't forget to check out our school. Sign up with Moo, which is the broker I love. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget code Black Friday, 51% off, and we'll see you guys in there. Take care.